NASA saw this in 1976 during the Viking 2 Mars mission. Note the writing on the rock. Let's jump 30 years to 2006 where Opportunity rover snaps this photo at Victoria Crater. At left a painting, at right a Mars a pillar. In 2007, the Spirit rover captured the now famous Rock Maiden of Mars at Gusoff Crater. Recently, this bluish craft was also spotted near the Maiden. Again, from the Spirit rover at Gusoff Crater, we found a blue-clad, helmeted man with an air mask on. In 2012, Curiosity rover snapped this long-snouted pig-looking creature near Mount Sharp. In 2012, Opportunity rover at Cape York catches a Martian UFO. That same photo also spots a mini crane driving away. Curiosity rover also caught this odd creature at Rock Nest. Curiosity hit the gold mine at Point Lake with a locker room as well as a little green Martian. Note how small he is. Note the reflection in the eyes and the rifle on his ride. This appears to be a spacesuit locker room in the same photo. The wide scene at left, at right is a close-up of gun and the reflected face. This is the central figure in the locker room. This is the little girl hiding behind the spacesuit. Yet another face reflected in the locker room. An example of Martian art is also found on a wall at Point Lake. More art from a wall at Point Lake, Gale Crater. Curiosity at Twin Cairns, Gale Crater. Although Eagleman 725 discovered the elements of this photo, this version clarifies the spaceport sentry and air car. The Century as discovered by Eagleman 725. Improved version at right. Note the bird, bull, and phallic symbols. Now to the far right hill of PIA 17083 at 1880 dots per inch. Note the child's play hat as well as the Earth version. This is PIA 17083 at 1880 dpi. Only at these higher resolutions do the following images appear. The red glow may indicate a warp drive. Curiosity's camera was even able to resolve the pilot of this UFO as shot through the cockpit's porthole. Background removed for clarity. Before and after the eyes were lightened. And this poor creature was also spotted at Twin Cairns Guilt Crater. A statue of a pig. And whatever this is, were both found at Twin Cairns. This twin cairn cowboy may be flipping the bird at NASA. A comparison of two different UFO drives. At left, red glow indicates a warp drive. At right, the twisted magnetic vortex indicates electromagneto-hydrodynamic drive. This little girl was spotted on Curiosity's second trip to Point Lake Guilt Crater. And note the picture clip is only 30 inches tall, hence she is less than 10 inches tall. These colors arose naturally in the cartoon scene on this sun hat. Now let's look under the rock at the Darwin Outcrop Gale Crater. Next, Curiosity visits Yellowknife Bay, PIA 17595, where we find the sexiest man on Mars. And his bird. We also find an apparent tunneling machine here. As well as a weapon.